Hi everyone, welcome to the Brisbane Opal Museum. Today we have lovely Holly here. Hi Holly.
Hi everyone. This crystal opal pendant in rainbow colours really glows in the low light, and then those rainbow colours flash in the sunlight or in the light that you're under. Really bright warm colours there, and some green as well. Very simple and elegant, beautiful against a elegant timeless dress or a black top like I have on now. It just helps the contrast with the colours. And don't forget that we have that worldwide free express shipping. That's 2 to 5 business days. And also, if you change your mind once you receive your piece, don't worry, because we have full refunds for you as well. Enjoy.